Is any evaluated lazily? I am writing a script in which I have to test numbers against a number of conditions. If any of the conditions are met, I want to return true, and I want to do that the fastest way possible. My first idea was to use any instead of nested if statements or multiple or linking my conditions. Since I would be satisfied if any of the conditions were true, I could really benefit from any being lazy and returning true as soon as it could. Based on the fact that the following print happens instantly and not after 10 equals 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 seconds, I assume it is. Is that the case, or am I somehow mistaken?
Yes, any and all short circuit, aborting as soon as the outcome is clear, see the docs. All iterable return true if all elements of the iterable are true, or if the iterable is empty. Equivalent to any iterable return true if any element of the iterable is true. If the iterable is empty, return false. Equivalent to ooh.
While the all and any functions short circuit on the first true element of an iterable, the iterable itself may be constructed in a non-lazy way. Consider this example. This will take several seconds to execute in Python 2 as range 10.8 constructs a list of 10.8 elements. The same expression runs instantly in Python 3, where range is lazy.
As Tim correctly mentioned, any and all do short circuit, but in your code, what makes it lazy is the use of generators. For example, the following code would not be lazy. The list would be fully constructed and calculated, and only then passed as an argument to any. Generators, on the other hand, are iterables that calculate each item on demand. They can be expressions, functions, or sometimes manually implemented as lazy iterators.
Yes, and here is an experiment that shows it even more definitively than your timing experiment. Typical run.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.